Next question, say before questions we used conditional cubic equations. Now listen, find the condition that the roots of cubic equation are in GP. Here before we completed 3 questions, they are solve the equation, the roots are in AP, solve the equation, the roots are in GP, solve the equation, 2 of its roots vanishes, solve the equation if the 2 of the roots, if the 2 of the product of the roots is 1, solve the equation if one of the root is twice of the product of the, that is twice of some of the other 2, like that conditional questions which we completed already. But here we want to find a condition, that is find the condition that the roots of cubic equation are in GP. We want to find the condition such that the roots are in GP, that's all. So here GP is a condition and we want to find what is the condition if the roots are in GP. Okay. And okay, any idea? Can you tell me what is the 3 roots in GP will be of the form, that is 3 terms in GP will be of the form? Very good. A by R, comma A, comma AR. And one can use instead of A alpha also, correct. Okay, use alpha and tell me. Very good. Alpha by R, comma alpha into R, also correct. Okay, first we take the given cubic equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Okay, next step please. Good. Let the roots in GP be, let the roots are okay, let the roots are, very good. Let the roots are alpha by R, comma alpha into R. Very good. Alpha into R. Now, before topic we learn, that is for AP, solve the equation for the roots are AP, it is enough to find only sigma 1, then we get answer. Solve the cubic equation, if the roots are in GP, it is enough to find directly product of the roots. Then use synthetic division we can solve. But this question is different. Find the condition that the roots are in GP. Okay. I want to find a condition. That means we want to find all the 3. It is cubic equation. So let us find sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3. Okay. Can you tell me what is sigma 1 is equal to? Sigma 1 please. Very good. Alpha by R plus alpha R. Correct. That is, listen, sigma 1 is equal to alpha by R plus alpha R, because I taken one at a time. Okay. Sigma 1 is equal to sum of the roots taken one at a time, which is equal to minus b by a. Good. Minus b by a. Okay. Next step please. Any simplification, further simplification? Very good. Alpha common. In left hand side alpha common. Listen, alpha into, please. Good. 1 by R plus 1 plus R, which is equal to minus b by a. So let it be the first equation. Let it be the first equation. So sigma 1 is equal to sum of the roots taken one at a time equal to minus b by a, and where alpha common we get one first equation. Can you tell me what is the next step please? Good. Sigma 2. Okay. Sigma 2 is equal to, good, sum of the roots, sum of the product of the roots taken 2 at a time. Okay, taken 2 at a time. Alpha by R into alpha, cyclic order, alpha by R into alpha plus, good, alpha into alpha R, alpha into alpha R plus, good, alpha R into alpha by R, alpha R into alpha by R. Okay, cyclic order. Next is simplification please. Okay, which is equal to what? Which is equal to, good, C by A. Listen, C by A minus plus, plus into plus plus, C by A. Yes, correct, very good, C by A. Now further simplification. Good. Yes, very good. Your answer alpha square common. Very good. Alpha into alpha, alpha square. Alpha into alpha, alpha square. Alpha into alpha, alpha square. Very good. Alpha square cancel. That is alpha square is common. Very good. Next, any other idea? Good. R cancel. Into R divided by R cancel. Where alpha square common. Listen, alpha square into, listen, alpha into alpha, alpha square. What is remaining? Good, 1 by R, because here coefficient 1. Good, 1 by R plus, good, R, because remaining R plus, Correct. Because here alpha into alpha, alpha square and coefficient 1. Yes, very good. Plus 1, which is equal to C by A. Okay. Let it be equation number 2. Which is equation number 2. Please, next step. Good. Sigma 3. Listen, sigma 3. I want to find a sigma 3. Sigma 3 equal to? Good. Product of the roots. Product of the roots means alpha by r into alpha r. Okay, product of the roots equal to next. Good, that is d by minus d by a. Yes, sigma 3 is equal to minus d by a. Listen, minus plus minus. Okay, minus d by a. Minus d by a. Next is simplification, please. Good, very good. Divided by r into r cancel. Next step, please. Good, alpha cube correct. Because alpha into alpha cube. So alpha cube is equal to minus d by a. Alpha cube is equal to minus d by a. Okay, next let it be the third equation. Next step. Listen again. Find the condition that the roots are in GP. Okay. And say find a sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3. First equation, second equation, third equation. Okay, any other idea? No, we can't use like that. We can't, okay. We can't take directly third equation. Any other idea? Good. 2 by 1 correct. 2 by 1 is correct. Second equation divided by first equation correct. Why? Reason, please. Very good. Bracket cancel then. Good. Alpha square. Because that is alpha square by alpha is equal to alpha. So for my convenience, second equation is divided by first equation, which implies that's all. Second equation is divided by first equation. Okay. What is second equation? And one can divide directly also. Listen. Second equation divided by first equation means alpha square by alpha equal to alpha. Next step. Good. Cancel. Bracket cancel. Why not? We can write directly. Next here, second equation divided by first equation. What is the answer? C by A divided by? Good. Minus B by A. So write it directly. While dividing second equation divided by first equation, bracket cancel. Alpha square by alpha is equal to alpha. So alpha is equal to? What is numerator, please? Numerator C by A. Good. Numerator C by A. Denominator, please. Good. Minus B by A. Minus B by A. Next step. Simplification. Good. Denominator to denominator cancel. Say denominator A, denominator A cancel. Next step. Good. Minus C by B correct. Because plus by minus C by B, which is alpha. That is alpha is equal to minus C by B. Box it. Okay. Again, find the condition of the cubic equation whose roots are in GP. Find sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3. First equation, second equation, third equation. For our convenience, second equation divided by first equation. We get, very good, alpha is equal to minus C by B. Next idea. Very good. Since alpha is a root, this satisfies the equation. Very good, that idea correct. Next, some other idea, please. Very good. Substitute alpha value in third equation. That's all, which is very easy. And your answer also correct. Since alpha is a root, then it must satisfy the equation. So this x is replaced by alpha. We get a alpha cube plus b alpha square plus c alpha plus d equal to 0. Then put alpha is equal to minus c by b in the equation. We get a into minus c by b the whole cube plus b into minus c by b the whole square plus c into minus c by b the c by b into plus, that is plus d is equal to 0. And after simplification by taking LCM, you are going to get the required condition. Very good, your idea correct. But easy technique is, here alpha is known and alpha cube is available. Substitute alpha value in third equation, we will get a direct answer. Now there exist two ideas. Since alpha is a root, alpha satisfies the equation, put x equal to alpha, then alpha equal to minus c by b in the given equation, we are going to get the required condition. That is a type 1. Type 2 is substitute directly alpha value in alpha cube, we will get a required condition. Okay, now can tell me what is 3 becomes, please? 3 becomes Very good. 3 becomes. 3 becomes means alpha cube. Where what is alpha? Base. Alpha is equal to minus c by b. So minus c by b the whole cube. 3 becomes, which is equal to minus d by a. Very good. Minus d by a. Okay, pa. Next, further simplification, please. Good. Minus c cube. Correct. Because minus the whole cube. That is minus the whole cube. Where cube gives a negative answer because odd power. Correct. Your technique, your idea is correct. Minus c cube by, very good, b cube, which is equal to, as it is, very good, minus d by a. Now, any idea? Very good. Minus minus cancel. Next, cross multiplication. Very good. Cross multiply. By cross multiplying, we get ac cube, which is equal to, very good, b cube d. Very, very good. Super. B cube d. While cross multiplying, b cube d. So, which is a required condition. So, this question is, find the condition of the cubic polynomial, cubic equation whose roots are in GP. And now we have exercise 3.4, and there are 4 sums are there. These 4 sums are like sums. It is to learn these 4 sums, it is enough to learn one sum. Then remaining 3 sums we can do in rough work itself. Now listen, first question, here solve x minus 2 into x minus 7 into x minus 3 into x plus 2 plus 19 is equal to 0. Listen, the 4 sums will be of the form, the product of the 4 factors plus constant equal to 0. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Product of the 4 factors a constant. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, product of the 4 factors constant. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, product of the 4 factors. Next, constant. Okay, these 4 sums are considered as same. And where we have one more question, which is example 24, page number 118. This question is mistake. Example 24 question mistake. So it has totally 5 questions where 1 question is mistake, and there exist the remaining 4 questions are there. And to learn these 4 questions, it is enough to learn 1 question. Now listen the technique. Say product of the 4 factors constant, product of the 4 factors constant. Same model. Now any idea how to say any group? Say any idea, please tell me. Okay, wait. I will explain first one. Say I will explain, I am going to explain first one, and the remaining 3 you want to give technique. Okay. Now listen, considering first question, for example, suppose consider minus 2 minus 7, okay, minus 9. What is the answer here? While adding constant, minus 3 plus 2 equal to minus 1. No, not equal answer. So listen, my technique is I want to make a equal answer, considering any 2 brackets which gives the same answer. Okay, like that. Please yourself. Okay, wait. See that not? I have the technique. First listen, I will explain correctly first one. Here using this question, suppose, okay, listen. Minus 2 minus 3. Can you tell me minus 2 minus 3? What is minus 2 minus 3? While adding? Good. Minus 5. Very good. Minus 5. Very good. Thank you. Minus 5. Similar idea, which is a pencil work. Next, good. By grouping minus 7 plus 2. Grouping minus 7 plus 2. What is your answer? Good. Again minus 5. Minus 5, that is minus 7 plus 2 equal to minus 5. So that is a technique. So this question comes under grouping first 2 factor, then grouping next 2 factor for our convenience. That's all. Very good. Listen again. Using pencil work, minus 2 minus 3 while adding minus 5. Minus 7 plus 2 equal to minus 5. Yes, minus 5 minus 5. Okay, first question completed. Next, remaining 3 questions yourself want to explain. Want to identify the technique. Got any idea how to group? Please tell me. Very good. Minus 6. Correct. Your idea is correct. Listen, minus 4 minus 2. What is your answer? Thank you. Minus 6. And good. Very good. Minus 7 plus 1. Minus 7 plus 1, which is equal to minus 6. Yes. So minus 6 minus 6. Which means, why? Because we are using these techniques means, take x minus 2 and take x minus 2 and x minus 3 together, then x minus 7, x plus 2 together, then a usual multiplication we are going to get answer. Next, x minus 4, x minus 2 together, then x minus 7, x plus 1 write it together, then multiplication, then we are going to get answer. Okay, next please, third sum. There's some any idea how to group? Any idea to group? Very good. Very good. Minus 5 plus 4. Minus 5 plus 4 equal to minus 1. Yes, super. Minus 1. Okay, next. Good. Minus 7 plus 6. So listen. Minus 7 plus 6. Use minus 1. Yes. Okay. Minus 1, minus 1. Come to last question, please. Last question. How to group? How to group? Suppose. Okay. Say, listen. For example, 3 minus 1, 2. But there 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, not possible. Suppose here, okay, minus 3. But plus 6, not possible. Suppose last plus 2. Here plus 1, not possible. Any other idea? Good. First 3 we are grouping a constant and we get a minus 5, minus 5, minus 6, minus 6. Here minus 1, minus 1. Here, any other idea? Very good. We can't grouping with a constant. Grouping constant is failure. Okay, some other idea? Okay. Say, yes, your answer is correct. Suppose 4x square. Next, here x square. Yes, listen. Here, 2x into 2x. 2x into 2x is equal to 4x square. 2x into 2x equal to 4x square. Next. Very good. X into x square. But not uniform. Listen, here, minus 5, minus 5, minus 6, minus 6, minus 1, minus 1. And here, constant, adding constant not exist. Okay, by grouping x variables, x into x square, 2x into 2x 4x square. Not same. But which is last one is a two-step question. Listen first myself. Here x square 4x square, where taking out 4 common, we can group. Then by using substitution method, we can solve. Okay. For my convenience, I will solve the last one. See, first 3 sums homework and the last one myself. Now first I want to group. Okay, how to group means 2x into 2x. Together I want to write. Listen. So listen. 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 into next x into x. That is x plus 3 into x minus 2, which is equal to 0. Not 0, plus 20. Remember, there is a constant term. Plus 20 is equal to 0. Okay. Now just a multiplication. 2x into 2x, 2x square. Next, 2x into 3, 6x. Minus 1 into 2x, minus 2x. So minus 3. Okay. Bracket. Into x into x, x square. X into 2x minus 2x. Plus 3x. Minus 6. Okay. Plus 20 is equal to 0. Next step, please. Very good. Like terms. Identify the like terms. X, x. And here, like terms. Want to identify. What is the first bracket, please? Very good. 2x square. Here, 4x minus 3. Into, good. X square plus x. So, x square plus x minus 6 plus 20, which is equal to 0. Okay. Here, I think the first one is incorrect. Here, 2x into 2x. 2 2s are 4. So, 4x square. 4x square. See, identify the mistake, suddenly inform. Here, 2x into 2x, 4x square. Okay. Now, see, consider the technique. Here, x square plus x. Here, x square plus x. But here, good. 4x square plus 4. Okay, taking out 4 from the first two. Taking out 4, 4 is common. Here 4 is common means 4 of x square plus x. Yes, we are getting x square plus x. Now, for my convenience, 4 of x square plus x minus 3 square bracket into, what is next please? That is same one, right? X square plus x minus 6 plus 20 is equal to 0. Okay. And now listen, using pencil, x square plus x, x square plus x. So same and one. X square plus x, x square plus x. See, remember here first 3 quotients, just x square, that is these 2 terms are like terms. It is only quotient 4 of. But first 3 quotients, just x square plus x, x square, that is the same. Here, see, these 2 terms are like terms, the same and one. But it is only quotient 4 of. So that is why myself. Okay, for my convenience, let this underline is equal to y. let this underline is equal to y, which means let y is equal to x square plus x, that's all. Let y is equal to x square plus x, let y is equal to x square plus x. Can you tell me what is your next form? So 4y minus 3 bracket into, listen, 4y minus 3 into y minus 6 plus 20, which is equal to 0. Now just algebraic product. Can you tell me? Very good. 4y square. Next, minus 4 6 are 24y minus 3y, minus into minus plus 18 plus 20, which is equal to 0. Okay, next identify the like terms. Good. Y square present for one place. Next, minus 27y. Next yourself. Good, very good. Plus 38 is equal to 0. Any further simplification? Good. No, because 4 and 38 even numbers, but 27 is odd number, there is no common factor. So, okay, any other idea? Okay, I want to factorize. Good. Here y square coefficient into the constant. Okay, take the rough work. That means 38 into 4. 4 8s are 32, remainder 3, and 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15, 152. Okay, 152. Factorization. Here center I need minus 27. Again, that is 4 8s are 32, remainder 3, and 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15, plus into plus is correct. Now want to identify that is two possible factors for 152. Take the 152 rough work. 152 divisible by 2. That means 7 2s are 14, remainder 1. Very good. Good. That is 6 2s are 12. Next, again even number. Very good. 2. 3 2s are 6, 8 2s are 16. 38 is correct. Now, we need 27. Okay. Any other idea? Very good. Again divisible by 2. What is next factor? Very good. 19. Now any other further any factors? Very good. No, because 19 is a prime number. Listen, 19 prime number. Stop. Consider that is remaining 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 into 19. So that is 8 into 19 is equal to 152 correct. Now, while multiplying 152, okay, how to adjustment? Very good. Minus is a minus. Verification, minus into minus plus. 8 into 19 is equal to 152, and minus 19 minus 8. Because same sign add, so minus 27 correct. Then y square coefficient of 4 by 4 by 4. Then simplification, 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. Minus 2, comma, minus 19 by 4. Okay, minus 2. It is at y square y constant. It is a quadratic equation in y. So we want to write in factors of y. Okay, what is minus 2? Minus 2 means here a variable y. Therefore, y minus 2 one factor. Into other factor please. Very good. Y minus 19 by 4. Y minus 19 by 4, which is equal to 0. Okay, next what is solution please? Very good. 2 comma 19 by 4. So that is y is equal to 2 comma 19 by 4. Okay, y value ready. But where y is equal to x square plus x. Here given question x variable. We want to find a x variable answer. So that is why now there exist two cases. When y equal to 2, when y is equal to 19 by 4. Okay, now case 1. Case 1, y is equal to 2. Okay, next step please. Very good. X square plus 2 because y value. Where y is equal to x square plus x. Okay, is equal to 2. Bring to left side. X square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, next further. Any idea? Oh, very good. Factorization. Okay, try. X square coefficient 1. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Factorization. X coefficient 1. Okay, table. Good. 1 2 is 2. Adjustment. Very good. Minus 1. And also by 1 by 1. Okay. Verification. Minus into plus minus 1 2 is 2 and 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Yes, your answer is correct. Minus 1. What is minus 1? Very good. X minus 1 one factor. Next. Good. X plus 2. X plus 2, which is equal to 0. What is the solution please? Very good. 1 comma minus 2 or minus 2 comma 1. Both are correct. So x is equal to minus 2 comma 1. Okay. Case 1 is completed. Minus 2 comma 1. Case 2. Case 2, what is second answer? When y is equal to, yes, correct, 19 by 4. Y is equal to 19 by 4. Okay, what is y? Good, very good. X square plus x here. X square plus x. Y is equal to. y is equal to x square plus x. Bring to left side, minus 19 by 4, which is equal to 0. X square x a constant, is a quadratic equation. Okay, how to factorize? Factorization method. Okay, what is the factors? Oh, we can't factor because 19 by 4, 19 is a prime number and there is a fraction. Very good. That is by factorizing directly, factorization method failure, because 1 into 19 by 4 and while add or subtract we need 1. It is difficult to factorize by using factorization method. Okay, some other method? Good. Quadratic formula method. Comparing with the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A equal to 1, b equal to 1, c is equal to minus 19 by 4. Use quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, x is equal to minus b. Okay, very good. Minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square. Good, 1, because 1 square equal to 1. Minus 4 of a. Very good, 1. A equal to 1 into c, 4ac. c, good, minus 19 by 4. Minus 19 by 4. Extend. Fully divided by 2 into a. Very good, 2 into 1. Okay, where by 4 into 4 cancel. Next, any other idea? Very, very good. Plus 20. Because minus minus plus 19 plus 1, 20. That is, x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 20 divided by 2. And here there are two answers. Forget minus 1 answer, forget plus 1 answer. There are two answers. And already it is a x answer. From case 1 we get a 2 answer. From case 2 next 2 answers. So totally 4 answer, because here product of 4 factors, totally we have 4 roots. Therefore the required roots are minus 2, listen, minus 2 comma 1 comma minus 1 plus root 20 by 2 comma minus 1 minus 20 minus root 20 divided by 2. Good. And one can simplify like that also. That is 20 means 4 5s are 20, 4 comes outside 2, that means 2 root 5 also correct, which is minus 1 plus or minus 2 into root 5 by 2 also correct, but the book answer is square root of 20, so we left as it is. From the today topic you have homework sums. See, in the first itself, from the introduction we discussed first 4 questions in which solve the equation whose roots are in AP, solve the equation whose roots are in GP, and find the condition if the roots are in GP. These are the questions which was completed by me. Now the homework is left for you is solve the cubic equation if 2 of the roots is vanishes, and 2 of the roots is vanishes means let the roots are alpha comma minus alpha comma beta. That is left for you homework. And the next question, solve the cubic equation if product of the 2 roots is 1, which means alpha comma 1 by alpha comma beta, because alpha 1 by alpha, while my finding product your answer is 1. So that is why we discussed the introduction, so that sum is left for you homework. And similarly one more example, say above 3.4 you have one more example, that is from the keyword AP, so that is homework. In addition that, here product of 4 factors constant equal to 0, we have totally 5 questions in which 1 question is mistake, and the remaining 4 questions. And first 3 questions we discussed, that is by grouping constant we get minus 5 minus 5, minus 6 minus 6, and minus 1 minus 1. And the last question is x square and 4x square. Last question only the twisted question, the first 3 are same. Now you want to group it, that is x minus 2, that is grouping, that from the arrow using pencil work you want to write x minus 2 and x minus 3, like that you want to group, then simply, so you want to group like this, grouping, then multiplying. And first 3 questions are, if second one is x square plus x, means definitely the first one also x square plus x. Suppose here x square plus 2x means here also x square plus 2x. It is only question 4 of, so that is why myself, and the first 3 left for homework. And solve the homework sums in same classwork itself and send through WhatsApp. I will correct and I will tell you where is the mistake. Thank you.